Welcome back to the Body of Knowledge. Today we're looking at the big picture. It's all about energy. The human body is really a big chemical factory, and the power source for this factory is calories. Energy in your body is in a constant state of flux. Unlike the wiring in your home that only flows one way, biological energy flows back and forth depending on whether you need to burn it or store it. Calories from food don't run your body directly. A molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, does. Think of ATP as the chemical battery that supplies the power to start and run your engine. Think of the carbs, proteins, and fats you eat as different grades of gasoline. Just like high-octane fuel, some produce more energy than others. Fat produces the most ATP, which is why your body prefers to store it. Grams represent the weight of the food you eat, while calories and ATP run the processes inside you. This explains why fat takes more than twice the work, exactly 2.25 times more, to burn off. The simple truth is this: to lose weight, you must burn more energy than you consume. It doesn't matter what you eat or how often, the energy balance is central to any reputable weight loss program. If you eat a 100-calorie breakfast and then go for a jog that burns 370, your body makes up that 270-calorie debt by burning stored body fat. That's an ounce of progress. Knowing how your body responds to food and activity is the key to autonomy. Once you understand the machine, you won't need a scale or a calorie counter to know you're winning. Keep building your body of knowledge. Stick with me for more knowledge. Be healthy. Be well. Be okay.